This is the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025, one of the most powerful foldable phones you can buy right now. Flagship performance, massive cover display, and a surprisingly aggressive price. Let's unbox it and see what Motorola packed inside. Right on top, we get the Razr Ultra 2025. Inside the box, there's a USB-C cable, documentation, and no charging brick. The first thing you notice is how solid this phone feels. It uses an aluminum frame, stainless steel hinge, and an eco-leather back. The hinge feels refined, and the crease is barely noticeable. You get a 7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 165 Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits brightness. The 4-inch cover display is fully usable. Apps, messages, and even camera control. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process. With up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, everything feels fast. You get a dual 50-megapixel camera setup with optical image stabilization. The cover display makes selfies and vlogging incredibly easy. It supports 8K video and high frame rate 4K with Dolby Vision HDR. The front camera is also 50 megapixels with 4K recording. A 4700 mAh battery with 68-watt fast charging keeps it going all day. You also get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and full 5G support. It's IP48 rated, so it can handle dust and water. And the price starts around $565. For the price, this might be the best flip phone of 2025. Subscribe for more real tech reviews, and I'll see you next time.